Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at question number 6. Which number makes this sentence true? And the problem that a lot of 6th graders have is just the presentation of it. I propose that we rewrite this using the fraction format. So we'll put 27 on the top. The number that's in front of the colon is always the numerator, and what's after is always the denominator. And then we'll do the same thing with this. So make this the numerator, make the x the denominator. Now, if you leave it as it is, this is not very user-friendly. Did you know that you can simplify this? What goes into both 27 and 45? How about we try 9? So this divided by 9 would be 3. This divided by 9 would be 5. So if we clean this up a little bit, we're looking at 3 to 5 being equal to 45 to x. Now 3 happens to be a factor of 45. 3 times some number does equal 45, and whatever that number is, you can multiply it by 5 to get x. That's one method of doing this. If you don't know what the missing factor is, consider taking the 45, dividing it by 3 to get the missing factor. All right, but if you want to use another approach, if you don't like that idea, then you can certainly use cross products. If we use cross products, we're doing 3 times x as one of the cross products. The other cross product would be 5 times 45. And if I take out my trusty calculator, let's make it so we can see the screen as well. Let me drag this over here. If we do 5 times 45, we get the number 225. 3 times some number would equal 325. What's the opposite of multiply by 3? It would be to divide by 3. This would cancel out. It would equal x. And you would do 225 divided by 3. Now, just another reminder about cross products. We already know that this purple cross product, 5 times 45, we know that that's equal to 225. So whenever you find yourself getting mixed up with the algebra, that means that this blue cross product also has to equal 225. So another strategy is to just take each answer choice, multiply it with 3 to see if you get 225. So you could try 3 times 75, see if that works. If that doesn't work, move on to the 78 and keep going through the list until you find one that does. But really, in my opinion, this approach up here is probably the easiest one, the one that I'm putting in this blue box. That's the most user-friendly.